Manisa production. Ayoba.
Yeah. Imali, the only reason me to spend it. Mali, the only reason me to spend it. Hey, spend it. Hey. I'm doing money dance, I got diamonds on my neck. I'm spending it myself and I'm making 100 bands. I'm here to drop some man, dropping on my mind. Bitch, I'm getting money cause I know I'm the best. I'm tripping cause I know I have a lot of cash. Shake that ass for me and get a little cash. Everybody can you please call me money spender. Money spender. Yeah. Money. The only reason me to spend it. Money. The only reason me to spend it. Hey.
I've got this money now, you tryna pay a visit. Pull up in the top, bitches started taking DT. I'm the captain on the sheet, my shit never sink. When I talk boy G, you better listen. Whoa, yeah. I was one of those, but I couldn't resist to getting what I have lost. I'm talking about my pace and the fate is something like those. If I'm in this call, I don't think I will get a record. Never had it easy. You thought I had it easy, but I never got it easy. Pull up at the top, bitches started taking Dixie. Pay my mommy visit, at least I can do this. I'm Muhammad Ali in the ring, I'm not losing. When I got the mic, just know I'm not playing.